Welcome to the channel, Wait Build Dig, or I like to call it WBD for short. I'm Dwayne, and I just started my channel a little while ago, last year, but I've been watching Let's Dig 18, Outdoors with the Morgans, Dirt Perfect, and Andrew Camarada YouTube channels, and you know, I love watching heavy equipment stuff, and I never had any equipment until this year when I bought the skid steer right here to build that house right there. Turn around and show the house. And I've been pretty much buried into that, you know, building that house all year. But anyway, I've seen these guys do an egg excavator challenge. They pick up an egg and move it from one bottle to another bottle with their excavator without breaking the egg. And I thought, man, I'd love to do that challenge, right? I just don't have a mini excavator, or any excavator for that matter. So I was like, boy, I wish I could think of a challenge that I could do with my skid steer. Well, I did think of one. The thought came to me, and the thought is skid steer soccer. All right, so I got these stakes set up. They're 20 feet apart. And the idea is to, you know, push the ball, the soccer ball, while keeping it on the ground. And you swallow them the stakes. So you go in and out, turn around, go in and out, and come back this way. And I don't know how hard it's going to be, or easy for that matter. I mean, the ball does fit between my teeth, so I'm thinking, you know, I can just keep it in there and just push it, right? Of course, the weaving in and out might make it, the ball just kind of leave the bucket, and then you got to chase the ball down. I don't know, I've never done it. But what I was going to say is, if it turns out to be real easy, you just go and you come back, then we can turn it into like, how fast can you do it? And so I'm gonna go ahead and do it and see how it works, and then we'll talk about it some more after that. All right, so here we go. I mean, now it's gonna be all one. It's not gonna be all one video, you know. Close the door. cow. Alright guys. Wow, that was harder than I thought. I figured that ball would stay in between the two teeth and you could just... But obviously the ball, it wants to go on its own speed. So anyway, I lost it a couple times. Anyway, it was fun, but a lot harder than I anticipated. So, we'll see if my YouTube channel guys out there can do this challenge. And I'll talk to y'all later.